Hey guys, today we're getting real about real estate at an awesome workshop at the North Jersey Federal Credit Union in Totowa, New Jersey. We have our team here and we can't wait to present about what's going on in real estate, why you should buy a home right now, and the difference between buying and renting, pros and cons of it all. So we're gonna be talking about that today. Follow along. We have over 200 people registered for this event, in person and virtual, so it should be really good. So let's go, I can't wait. So we are registering everybody that comes in. We're giving them some information, like this is from East Coast Capital, financing your dream home. So they're gonna give information about that. And then we have our bags here with some candies and pens and some other information about buying a home. And I love our bags for shopping. A couple questions that you might want to ask yourself when buying a home is, how do I start? How do I get pre-approved? How do I make an offer? How do I start looking at houses? How do I find the right team to work with? What's my budget? How much does a house cost? What are closing costs? How much down payment do I need? Hey guys, what a great event we had today. If you want to be part of our next event or just want information about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, contact us today and we can't wait to help you. We'll see you next time.